How is the last question? The D part was horrible, right? Okay. Um, okay. We'll see this question. Then we'll talk about something. Find the product using suitable properties. Actually, we want to find the multiplication of these numbers or product of these numbers. Okay. So by using normal method, it will take hell or lot of time to multiply these numbers. It will take lot of time by the normal method. Okay, but when we use some suitable properties, we will do mathematics within no time. Okay, see here. Uh, for doing this, 738 into 103. Here we are using a property of, like, okay, I will solve this, then I will explain the formula so that it will be very easy for you to relate. 103 we can write as 100 plus 3, right? 103 we can write as 100 plus 3. So 738 into 100 plus 3. Now in mathematics there is a formula, A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. This is the formula or property which we need to use for all these four. If given any numbers, any n multiplication, we use the same formula. So the same thing, A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. The same thing right here, 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. The same thing I have written here. Now, anything multiplied by 100 is a cakewalk, right? 738 into 100, you ignore zeros, 738 into 1, 738, how many zeros? 2, you put 2 zeros, plus this, any number by single digit is also easy for us. How? 3 into 8 is 24, 3 into 3 is 9, plus 2, 11, 3 into 7, 21, plus 1, 22. Okay? Now, we need to add these two. If you add it directly, that is well and fine. Again, we follow the same method. Like, okay, I will do it here. 2, 2, 1, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 2, 10. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. And 7. 76,014 is the correct answer for this equation. Here, what we have done, we have used this formula. We have written 103 is equals to 100 plus 3. We all know this. And we just written 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. There is nothing wrong here. Okay, everything is right. Then anything multiplied by 100, we know how to do. And multiplying by single digit is very easy. Finally, to add these two numbers, we get the result. Okay. Now, this thing I am giving you homework. Homework means what you need to do? You need to write in the comment section and I will verify. This thing. Now, this thing, same thing, 258 into 1008, I am writing 1000 plus 8. 1000 plus 8. That is equals to 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. That is equals to any number multiplied by 100 or 1000 or 10,000. Just to close the zeros, 258 into 1, 258. How many zeros? 3. Write 3 zeros. Okay, comma, comma. Plus 3-digit number multiplied by single digit number. We need to do little effort. 8 into 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40 plus 6 46. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. Now we need to add these two numbers. How? You can add directly or follow the basic thing which we already know. Okay, see, at any point of time you don't know anything means you go for the basic things which own you know. Maybe it will take some time, but at the end you will get correct answer. Okay, so 2 5 8 3 zeros 2 0 6 4 0 plus 4 4 0 plus 6 6 0 plus 0 0 8 plus 2 10 5 plus 1 6 and 2. It is this one 2,60,064 will be the product of this thing. Now the final thing. Am I going speed? If you think I am going speed means you should focus little more. Okay, because in exam you need to do this much fast only. Okay, so how to write this? 1005 1000 plus 5 1000 plus 5 into 168. See, this is in the form of B plus C into A. In mathematics, A into B equal to B into A. Okay. In other words, you can write as B plus C into A equal to AB plus AC. You try to recollect everything which I have told in the previous lectures and recollect these formulas. Okay, this is nothing difficult, very easy. Everything is same. Okay, 1000 into 165 plus 5 into 165. Okay, now I will rewrite this 165 into 1000 plus 165 into 5. Why? Because A into B is equals to B into A. Here I have written, right? A into B equal to B into A. Okay. Why I have written? Because it is very easy for do calculations. Okay. 165 into 1000. Ignore zeros. 165 into 1. 165. How many zeros? 3 zeros. You put 3 plus 165. You need to do manually. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. 825. You need to see here. These are 3 zeros. If you add 825 it, this 825 will come here straight away. So 1,65,825. By doing these kind of things, while doing only, your speed gradually increases. And one more thing I would like to tell you, very important point. See, this is the question given, this is the question given, this is the question and this is the question. How to pick which one sorry, how to pick which one to add. Okay. See here, in this example 1005 and 168, okay, this we want to write means 100 plus 68, okay, this 1000 plus 5, which one is easy? Obviously 1000 plus 5, for doing multiplication 1000 plus 5 is easy. The same thing here, 854, this we can write as 800 plus 54, and this 100 plus 2, which one is easy? Obviously 100 plus 2, and multiplying by 100 is very easy compared to multiplying by 800 or multiplying by 54. Okay, that is why which number to choose to write in form of addition is very important, and that is only important, that is called suitable properties. After that, just apply two formulas. The first formula is this: A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Another formula, A into B equal to B into A. This we have already seen. Okay, I'm not going very fast. Okay, I'll try to explain, try to re-explain, try to explain again. Okay, most probably I will explain the same thing 3 times in the complete video for you to understand very properly. Why? Because in the first go, if you don't get the point, then also in the second time or third time, definitely you understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, may I give any number or any teacher give any number, definitely you are going to solve the problem 100% accurately. Okay, don't forget to write the homework and put in the comments. Okay.